Get ready for one of the most creative Jordan releases coming soon, the Air Jordan 4 Comic, dropping fall 2026. Jordan Brand is giving its retro lineup a fun, nostalgic twist by drawing inspiration from vintage comic books, bringing bold lines, illustrated shading, and vibrant color blocking to this upcoming pair. Early mock-ups reveal a mix of off-white leather and neutral gray overlays, styled with striking fire pink and light arctic pink accents on the netting, eyelets, and midsole. Anthracite outlines add that signature comic style effect, while a muslin-tinted midsole and pink outsole deliver a retro pop art finish. Although official photos, sizing, and pricing are still unannounced, the Air Jordan 4 Comic is already generating major buzz among sneaker fans and collectors. Expect this drop to appear at Nike and select Jordan retailers. Stay tuned for confirmed details as we get closer to the fall 2026 release.